Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable Office Viewer in Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Microsoft has now integrated a new feature called Office Viewer that will open Excel sheets, work documents, etc. right within the Edge browser without downloading it. By default, this feature remains turned on the Edge browser. However, if you need, you can enable or disable Open Office Files feature in Edge settings. To enable or disable this one feature, first open Edge browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one triple dot menu in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. Under Edge settings in the left sidebar, click on this one downloads. On the right you will find open Office files in the browser option. You can turn on or turn off this one toggle switch to enable or disable this one feature on your Edge browser on your Windows PC.